Hi, I'm Chaehyeon and I want to show you how to make a vegetable soup. Soup is delicious, so I want to let you know how to cook soup. Follow these steps to make your own soup. Material is 1 potato, 1/3 of carrot, 1/8 of broccoli, and olive oil, and 1 pack of soup powder, and 6 milliliters of cool water. First, get all the ingredients. Secondly, chop potato, broccoli, and carrot. Be careful when you are chopping vegetables. Then, put it into the pan and add olive oil, then fry for 1 minute. 근데 이거 내가 다 만든 거 맞죠? After, put the roasted ingredients in other pot and put 600 milliliters of cool water and 1 pack of soup powder. Then stir them well. Put at the fire and stir the soup. Be careful not to splash your soup. After that, when soup is boiling, turn off the fire level and stir it for 3 more minutes. Finally, when it is ready, put it in the plate and put pepper, and it makes delicious soup. Then, make it more delicious. Bake buttered bread and dip into the soup and bite it. Enjoy it.